Good morning. We just got tickets for Pompei.
Yes.
And now we are in the train station waiting to go to Pompei. Look at the trains. Whoa! They look so different. They have graffiti.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Matthias, where are we going?
In the amphitheater.
Amphitheatro. Are we?
Yes,
In Pompei. We're going. We are exploring here in Pompei. Let's go.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. We go together, better than birds of a feather, you and me. We'll change the weather, yeah. I'm getting heat in the sun when you about me. I've been dancing under the stars, stumbling out of bars. Follow you through the dark, can't get enough. You're a medicine in my vein, a tattoo inside my brain. Maybe you know it's obvious. I'm a sucker for you. Say the word and I'll do anywhere I leave. I'm a sucker for you. Yeah. Any road you take, you know the truth find me. I'm a sucker for all this subliminal things. No one knows about you, about you, about you, about you. And making the typical me, break my typical rules. It's true, I'm a sucker for you. I'm a sucker for you. I'm a sucker for you.
Matthias, where are we?
Soreno.
Soreno. Very nice city. And also, tomorrow it's my birthday. Are you happy about it?
Actually, we'll do nothing tomorrow. Nothing is planned, but she don't know yet.
No. It will be a great day. I will be 20. Good morning. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
What's your name?
My name is Elena. I'm French today. I'm from the Italian team.
How many times you dream of this?
1 second before. Nothing. It's really, really nice.
Perfect.
Perfect. The water is perfect. The view is perfect. Everything is perfect. How do you feel?
Really good. Oh, it's doing so good. Like I think it's like 38 degrees and now just swimming.
Perfect, perfect.
Water is perfect, really.
We at a party we don't wanna be at. Trying to talk but we can hear ourselves. Pictureless, I'd rather kiss them right back. But all these people all around.
So we just bought squashes. No, lash. Not squash, lash, right? Slash. We bought slash. Mine is grapefruit. His is mint. It's really refreshing and it's the best thing after a really nice bath. And when it's so hot, we're in the sun, you should definitely get a slash. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sergi Elena. That's me, that's me. Happy birthday to me. Sophia, hug and kiss. Cheers, mommy. Cheers. Good morning, guys. We are in Milano. We have just arrived and we came to the hostel. It's 7:40 approximately, and at 8 the hostel opens, so we're waiting on the grass chairs, which look really cool. Look at the tables, they're really colorful. And we're still waiting. See you.
I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere. You're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. No, 'cause I don't care.
Put your arms around me, tell me everything's okay. In my mind, I'm running round a cold and empty space. Just put your arms around me, tell me everything's okay. Break my bones, but you won't see me fall.
It's so beautiful in Milan. We just took running tests, watermelon flavor of course, and it's really, really nice here. One day is enough, I think, but if you love shopping you should spend more days here, and it's really, really nice. I just bought this shoe. And I'm wearing them for the first time in Milan. Woo. So we got our flowers with Sophia. Cute.
Tell me that you got me and you're never gonna.
We are searching for food. Tasty one. Please.
Please tell me that you got me and you're never gonna leave.
Last night in Milano.
Last night, and we got our flowers.
Are you happy, Serena?
Of course. And not tired at all.
Ready for another trip tomorrow?
Yes, full of energy. We came to McDonald's. Today we are leaving from Milano. It's our last day and we are leaving in from Italy. We have our flight at 10 to Prague. And how do you feel
Very nostalgic, huh?
of Milano?
No.
Ah, generally.
Yes.
It's okay, we'll travel more.
Of course.
No problem.
Milano,
Yes, you need a lot of money to be in Milano. But the feeling was great in Italy.